Today we're going to be making a DIY hair mask. I've called this one Strawberry Mojito, so it's great for the summer, and obviously you can use the leftover ingredients for a lovely mojito, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get to it. First off, we have our strawberries. These are enriched with many vitamins, including A and C, which are good for stronger hair, boosting stronger hair. We also have some mint. You can use peppermint as well, peppermint oil, a few drops of that. This encourages, you know, more of a soothing, calm effect on your hair, especially on your scalp if you've got quite an irritated scalp. I'm using mint. This is more of an energy boost, but also it has those kind of soothing and calm elements to it as well. We have your lime. You can use a lemon as well. They both have the same effect. They are good for oily scalps, fighting dandruff. They have a lot of vitamin C in, and they are also antifungal. I've got a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. You can use white sugar as well. This acts as an exfoliant or a scrub for dandruff or psoriasis prone hair like myself. Now these are just two added ingredients just to basically bulk up the hair mask. So I have a whole egg here. You can use egg whites. Egg whites are for more greasy hair, so it takes out the excess oils. And then egg yolk is for drier hair, so to basically give your hair more moisture. Egg in general is obviously good in protein, so giving your hair protein is obviously strengthening and good for hair growth as well. So this is coconut oil. This is about a tablespoon and a half, basically just to give your hair some moisture and some shine. You can use pretty much any oil, olive oil as well, apart from vegetable oil. I don't really agree with using vegetable oil pretty much for anything, to be honest. So I forgot to mention, if you're vegan, then obviously don't worry about the egg. It's not an absolute necessity, it's just an added ingredient, personal thing for me. You will also need a hair grip just to put your hair up when we leave it in soak for half an hour, a tea towel or any sort of cover, basically just to cover the area that you're mixing, because it could get a bit messy. You will also need a blender to mush up your strawberries and mint, just to make it more of a smoother mix. And that's it. So you are left with this beautiful smelling mushy goodness. It literally smells fucking divine. Like, I'm literally gonna taste some now. I don't care if it's got egg yolk in it. Don't judge me, because I know you lot eat out the cake mix. Girl, I'm putting that in my hair, bitch. If that tastes as good as it smells when it's in my hair, shit's about to go down. Anyway, let's get to it because I'm just waffling. And the hair mask is in, bitches. Ooh, girl, I can feel the moisture already. Leave it in for an hour. I'm gonna go sunbathe in that time because it's fucking banging outside right now. I would actually recommend putting a towel around you as opposed to what I was doing, because it went everywhere. So yeah, leave it in for an hour, wash your hair out as normal, and we'll go from there, bitch. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the results. It feels soft, it's shiny, well, shiny for my hair anyway, and it's quite lightweight. There's no residue. You just have to basically make sure that you really thoroughly washed all of the bits and bobs out, because you don't want to be growing a garden in your hair. So yeah, happy with that.